Hi, this is Andrea with Yarn Packin' Mama, and today we're going to be doing the front post double crochet. You might also see it referred to as raised double crochet front. So what I've done here is I have chained up 20 and worked into the third chain from the hook, double crochets all the way to the end, and then I did a second row of double crochets so that we can get started, because you have to have double crochets, a foundation of double crochet stitches before you can do the front post double crochet. Let's get started. I've already turned my work, and I'm just going to start with a turning chain of 2, and then we're going to go into this first space here, go underneath of the post and come up and just work it like a normal double crochet. And as you can see, it brings this post up and gives it a raised effect. So again, you're going to yarn over, go in underneath of the post, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and just finish off like a normal double crochet. So I'm just gonna do that one more time. Go in beneath the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And as you can see, it brings these posts up and gives it a raised effect. I'm just going to work till the end and I'll meet you there to go to the next row. So now we're at the end of where I had a turning chain, and there is no post to work around on this end, so I'm just going to work a double crochet into the top of the turning chain. If you're curious, I'm using Karen 1 pound in Sunflower, and I'm using a 4mm hook, which isn't probably the best size for a medium weight yarn, which Karen 1 pound is. Alright, so now we're at the end. We've done front post double crochet all the way across this row. And now I'm going to turn it, and you can see that there's a ridge here. And this ridge is created from the top of the stitch. So that's what happens when you don't work into the top. It just leaves it open and creates a ridge. So I'm going to do a few more just to show what a swatch of front post double crochet looks like when it's worked on both the front and back rows. Usually I would just do it on the side that I want the ridge on. So I would normally do a row of just double crochet and then turn it to get the ridge to be on the same side. Or I would do back post double crochet so that the ridge will still show up on the same side. But yeah, that is the front post double crochet. And front post double crochet is a great way to also work cables. So if you were curious of how to make cables in crochet, it's using this technique along with the back post double crochet. again. The nice thing about this is that it's just double crochet. Alright, and there we have it. That's what a front post double crochet looks like. This would be the back side if you consider your slip knot to be on the left side if you're right-handed. And yeah, there you go. It creates these ridges. And I did a row of just double crochet in between to show the difference a little bit more. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.